In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome 32-bit on your computer step by step. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it from opening your browser all the way to finishing the installation. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser that is already installed on your computer. You can use something like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, whichever one you already have available. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar at the top. Now type in Chrome 32-bit download and press enter. This will bring up a list of download results. At this point, it's very important to choose a trusted source because downloading software from random websites can be risky. In the instructions for this video, we're using the Fileon website, so look for that trusted page in the search results and open it. When the page loads, make sure you are on the correct download page for Windows 32-bit. This matters because you want the version that matches your system. If your computer is running a 32-bit version of Windows, this is the correct installer to use. Take a moment to confirm the page before downloading anything. Next, find the download button for the 32-bit Chrome installer and click it. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where you want to save the file. If that happens, choose a location that is easy to find, like your downloads folder. In most cases, the installer will save there automatically anyway. Once the download finishes, go to the file location and open the setup file you just downloaded. This starts the installation process. You may see a setup window appear right away. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and let Chrome install automatically. In most cases, the installer will handle everything for you without needing many extra steps. After the installation is complete, Chrome should open on your computer and be ready to use. You can now sign in, set it as your default browser if you want, and start browsing normally. That's all there is to it. So just to recap, you opened your browser, searched for Chrome 32-bit download, used the trusted page, downloaded the installer, and ran the setup to install Chrome successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.